welcome back to my channel and watching a 4-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, the location, here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 7.8, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on the screen, which may address many of the basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 4. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is superb. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Please read description box. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. Please share your experience and comments. If you are new to this channel or you have not subscribed to the channel, then please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.